Okay, so welcome again to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe for more simple vegan recipes. This recipe is vegan brownies. So 100% cocoa, which I'm going to melt in a pot. We have the chocolate, the sweet chocolate chips. We have our vanilla extract, sugar, vegetable oil, flour, baking powder, salt, and the flax seed. So these are the ingredients we need, and water. I'm gonna go ahead and melt the chocolate, the unsweetened 100% cocoa. Okay, so the chocolate is all melting chocolate. Okay, it's almost done. It's melting away. Okay, so we have our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. We're gonna mix those two together with the melted chocolate. Okay, so here's the mixture. I'm gonna put it in the baking pan and I'm gonna stick it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, folks, so we're all done. The vegan brownies. As I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.